welcome to the moving vlog. I am currently in the process of moving houses with my family, and I decided to vlog this experience with you guys and share it with you. Currently working from home and I am feeling stressed. I've been packing past few days and I'm very tired this morning, and just a lot of things at work because it is month end. But good morning. It is the day before we're actually moving out, and oh my gosh, my tripod. It's really noisy because there's construction in our house. But this is the state of the house so far. I need to disassemble this bed, and also this is how much stuff I have in my room. And this is not just all the stuff I have in my room. I also have some more stuff over here as well. And this is the state of the house. I'm going to show you guys living room and how the house is, the progress and everything. So this is what the house looks like right now. I have a lot of stuff in the kitchen area as well. I'm pretty hungry, but this is like, it's so noisy. I'm literally air frying stuff in the air fryer. And the dogs are really loud, my neighbor's dogs. I'm just having leftovers for breakfast, which is not the best thing to eat in the morning. I'm having spring rolls. It's really hungry. Anyways, this is our lunch that we're having. We're having jjajangmyeon and the sweet sour pork. Favorite Korean restaurant where we live. Because we won't have any that we move next. So just enjoying it for the last time.
Yeah. You said this doesn't taste like Caucasian.
Is a situation with my bed. I managed to take my bed apart and put a mattress cover over my mattresses so it's protected whilst it's moving. And let me tell you, for my sister's bed, it took 2 people to disassemble everything, but I managed to do everything myself, which I'm very proud about that. I just need to move my mattress so I can access the cabinet to clear some more stuff out. So I just need to do some leftover packing, just putting some stuff in away and to put away. Yeah, I'm almost done. I am now preparing dinner for my family because I went to the new house to just pick up the keys and do some house cleaning stuff in the new house. So yeah, today I was at home. I just did the bed because actually my dad was gonna do it as well with me, but I decided since I'm at home, I'll just do it myself. So I'm just giving dinner. Just air fried some salmon with some calamari, and also in the fridge we have some leftover salad that we made yesterday. So this is a salad. Have heaps of stuff still in the fridge, but this is the previous owner's fridge, so we'll have to leave this. So that's why I'm putting everything inside here and trying to turn the other fridge off. And I also made some sweet potato chips Good morning. It is the day of the move. I'm currently eating breakfast. This is what I made for breakfast. Just ham, cheese, toast. Yeah, I woke up at 7 in the morning and I was very tired because I slept at like 1 o'clock last night. Yeah. I need to open this. Oh yeah, there's one table left upstairs I think and some mattresses. This is the progress so far of our moving. So much stuff is inside there already. This is all our stuff that's still left. Here's all the stuff that's still left in the living room. And here's the stuff that's still in the kitchen area. Having for lunch, we're having pie and then we're just having air fried chips, just air frying food.
Oh, you're air frying this one?
11 o'clock and everything's almost like cleared out, which is really, really good. Yeah, it started at 8 o'clock and like everything's pretty clear. We have a lot of stuff, so I'm very happy, pretty surprised.
Moving now. This is what our new house looks like. It's very big. This is my room. It's kind of small, but whatever. And then this is Vianna's room, which is basically the person who's making this vlog. Wow. Yeah. She's better drawer than me.
Good morning, everyone. It's currently 4:42 in the morning, and we just moved in. So it's pretty early yesterday, so I was so tired and now I'm awake. This is the state of my room so far. I have so much stuff. This is not even like all of it. This is my room so far. So this is our living room and this is how much stuff and boxes we have in our living room. And this is the theater room with all our other stuff as well. And this is not even half of it. We still have more stuff in the garage. It's currently lunchtime and we bought some stuff. Whoa. This is what we're having for lunch. Just pizza. How the kitchen is looking right now. It's still currently a mess as well. Okay, so it's been 3 days since we've moved and the house is still quite a mess. So here's progress of my room. Currently, I put a lot of stuff right here. All these drawers are filled up. I have 3 clothes bag. This is the state of my room. I have more clothes underneath my bed and I have all these boxes are outside waiting to be packed away. So basically my boyfriend came on Friday to help. He basically said that we as a family have a lot of stuff. Like he's just wondering why we have a lot of stuff to move. We have a lot of stuff in general. Honestly, if you're living in a house, you will have a lot of stuff when moving, especially if you're a family, a big family as well. In general, for me personally, half of my boxes and bags are clothes. 2 of my boxes are at least for makeup and skincare products. 2 or 3 boxes are my business stuff. Probably why I have a lot of boxes and stuff and why I'm struggling to fit some stuff in my room, because I need to divide cupboards for clothes and my business stuff as well. That's basically it. Like once we move into a house, we tend to accumulate a lot of stuff and we do throw stuff out that we don't need anymore. A lot of stuff that we still use that we bring with us. But yeah.